Hello and welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I am going to share with you a grocery haul and a little bit of produce prep. Let's get into it. Alright, I think that this is maybe the biggest haul I've ever done on this channel. I definitely know it's the most colorful over there. You can see my 5-gallon buckets of rice and oats. Alright, to start off, we have these baby carrots. I have 5 pounds of regular carrots. I have a Napa cabbage. Some matchsticks, just because I didn't want to take the time to cut these carrots. Convenience. I grabbed a whole lot of peppers. 8 of them to be exact. 2 celery stalks, 5, these were on sale for $1.27, so I grabbed 5 of them. So I think that I have 70 altogether now. And that'll definitely get us through the month. I grabbed some feta, some bananas, some blueberries, 2 pounds of mushrooms, 2 cucumbers, red cabbage, some olive oil to get me through until my As Your Standard order comes on like the 7th or the 14th or something. 4 pounds of frozen broccoli, 2 containers of 4% cottage cheese, 2 bags of spinach, some romaine lettuce, our favorite extra sharp cheddar cheese. I tried the Tillamook. Both of them are good, so I just grabbed whatever is cheapest. And I believe that this was $1 cheaper today. Some Dijon mustard. This is gonna go with olive oil because we are going to make some dressing for our salads. Some dark roasted peanut butter. Here's the thing. This is the only one that I could find that didn't have palm oil in it, which I just don't understand. Even Justin's has palm oil in it, and I was shocked by that. Not that I'm not someone that's very picky about like palm oil and all of that jazz, but I wanted the most simple jar of peanut butter with nothing else added, and this has, let me see if I can zoom in, and this has organic roasted peanuts and it contains 1% or less of salt. I grabbed a package of unbleached all-purpose flour. This will get us through until our soft white wheat comes because I only have hard white wheat left. A big old thing of Maxwell House. I have been trying not to drink coffee as much, so drinking the cheap stuff, make sure I only drink 2 cups a day. Sour cream to get us through for the month. A bag of onions. These are yellow onions. 2 pounds of salmon, 3 pounds of ground turkey, and then these packages are, don't mind, my husband made mac and cheese last night and like look at this. Ugh. Anyway, like what? Gross. And these are both packages of chicken breast, boneless, skinless. To prep our veggies, I am going to toss all of them into the sink with some vinegar. It's recommended that you use 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water, but let's be real, I don't usually measure. I just try to soak them, scrub them by hand, and get them as clean as I can. For the celery and carrots, and usually berries too, I wash, drain, and then wash them again because I find that they seem to hold the most dirt. I am now cutting up my celery before I do another thorough wash because like I said, these hold a lot of dirt, and 75% of the time I am pulling those celery stalks straight from the fridge and dipping them in peanut butter, so I want them as clean as can be. I am cutting the tops off of the celery and adding them to my freezer bag that I keep veggie scraps in. Always save your scraps for stock. You paid for that produce, you might as well use every last bit of it. Now that my celery is cut up, I'm going to start chopping up my peppers. I'm going to take my yellow, orange, and red peppers, slice them up into strips for fajitas, and I'm going to dice up my green peppers and some onions for the week too. For the fajita peppers, I'm going to toss them onto a baking sheet and let them freeze. That'll take about an hour, and then I'll just toss them into a freezer bag and pull them out as needed. I am dicing up my onions and green peppers with this veggie chopper. I will link this down below because it is so nice to have one of these on hand. All right, I just put my new onions in my storage room. So I'm going to grab the rest of the ones that were in there. I'm going to dice these up. So I have my celery, my green peppers, onions. I'm going to toss one of these in the freezer. A whole bag of beautiful peppers that are the perfect width. Thank you so much for watching this quick little video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed and turn those notification bells on so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching.